respected teachers, and my beloved brothers and honorable guests. Tonight, I'm here and I feel very, very glad to be here. And today I wanna share with you about my feelings and thoughts about the great importance of Islamic institutions or Madaris Islamiyah. My brothers, Prophet ﷺ says, the world is cursed and everything in it is cursed, except the remembrance of Allah and what is connected to it and a scholar or a learner. My brother, Islamic institutions or Madaris Islamiyah hold immense value. They play a powerful role in building an ideal Islamic society. They promote